everyone, it's Anshul here from AdSense.com, and in this quick video I'm just going to show you how to set up your Google Authorship settings using your Google Plus profile. Now what Authorship is when if you own a blog or a website, you'd want Google to display that your website, or you the actual author of your website or the content, and you'd want that information to actually show up in the search results. Just to show an example what that means is I run a blog obviously called nichesense.com. So if I was to type in niche sense in the search results, like I've done here, and if I just hit search, as you can see, the obviously my blog comes in the search results because it's I'm using that search term. You can see just here, like on the home page, niche sense make money online with niche marketing by Anshul Dale. So there's your authorship information that's related to your Google Plus profile. Now, why is that important? Is obviously it helps build your name, your authority in the search results. So if people are typing the name, you want your name to be associated with your with your blog or your online real estate or your website, which is important that your name gets shown up in all the good places as much as possible. To actually set up, it's actually quite straightforward. So what I'm going to do is, this is my Google Plus profile, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of settings here. So the first step obviously is to set up the contributor option, which means that you need to tell Google which website you actually write for. So in this case, I'm actually writing for nichesense.com. So if you look on the right hand side, the second column, the second widget here, so if I was to click on that, you can see I've got my blog there. So all you need to do is essentially add in a URL, the link to your blog or a website, and just give it a name. So that's and that way you can tell Google, okay, well, I'm actually writing for this blog, and I'm the owner of, I'm the author of this blog, so please link this website to my Google Plus profile. So that's the first bit. And then the second bit is actually you need to set up your blog to connect to your Google Plus profile, which can be done quite easily. So there's a couple of different options you can use to achieve that. So the first option is you can go to Google Plus. There's a developers page which you can access through the support Google support websites. All you need to do is if you go to the developers page, you can find the snippet of code. So like you can see here, you need to add, so this is your Google Plus profile ID, which is your number, so you can find that here. So that's your Google Plus profile ID, and you simply put that in there and just get Google to generate the code which you need to copy and paste into your site header. So once you've done that, obviously then your Google Plus profile is linked to your blog, and then your Google authorship will be verified, and all that information will start showing up in the search results. But if you're using like a framework like Thesis or other sort of advanced WordPress frameworks, it's actually quite easy. So like for example, I'm using the Thesis framework, and I've already got an option where I can easily connect my Google Plus profile by simply copying and pasting my URL into the field. The only important thing you need to be aware of is to actually use the author link there. So you need to have that attribute in your actual profile. So this way Google will actually know that your blog is connected to your author profile in your Google Plus profile. So once you've done that and your information is connected, you can simply go the snippet testing tool. You can just take this URL, and you can copy this and then type in your blog name and preview. So you can see that it's telling me that my authorship is verified, and I'm actually once the Google search results are showing up, you can see there's a little picture of me with my name in there, and which will tell me, or which tell my visitors that or the search results that this account is related to this blog, and I'm the actual verified author of this blog. So that's pretty much all there is. There's a couple of links you need to be aware of, which will be visible in this video, and within 2-3 steps, it's quite easy to set up your Google authorship. And it's highly recommended that you do this if you write for a particular blog, if you own a blog, because that really helps build get your name out there in the search results, and helps you build as an authority who writes content for a particular blog or website. So hopefully that was useful, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.